Hello and welcome to Canadian Citizenship Test Preparation YouTube channel. In this channel you can find latest update and study material for Canadian Citizenship Test. Hope you find our video and study material helpful. Good luck on your test. If you learned something today, please press the subscribe button. What is meant by the equality of women and men? The answer is, men and women are equal under the law. Canada has 3 territories and how many provinces? The answer is 10. Where are the Great Lakes? The answer is southern Ontario along the border between Canada and the United States. Who are the Aboriginal peoples in Canada? The answer is the first inhabitants of Canada. What 3 oceans border Canada? The answer is Pacific, Arctic and Atlantic. Which province is the only officially bilingual province? The answer is New Brunswick. How many provinces and territories are there in Canada? The answer is 10 provinces and 3 territories. From where does the name Canada come? The answer is from Kannada, the Iroquoian word for village. What is written on an election ballot? The answer is the names of the candidates in your electoral district. In what year did Canada become a country? The answer is 1867. What do you mark on a federal election ballot? The answer is an X. What is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? The answer is God Save the Queen, King. What is the population of Canada? The answer is about 34 million people. Which province is Canada's largest producer of hydroelectricity? The answer is Quebec. What is meaning of the Canadian coat of arms and motto, A mare usque ad mare? The answer is from sea to sea. Why are the Great Lakes important to Canada? The answer is fresh water and waterways. What principle was Canada's constitution founded on? The answer is peace, order and good government. What are the 2 official languages of Canada? The answer is English and French. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? The answer is the Governor-General. What is the capital city of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. Which of the following is the responsibility of the provincial governments? The answer is highways. What did the suffrage movement achieve? The answer is women obtained the right to vote. Which Canadian province is the largest producer of oil and natural gas? The answer is Alberta. The following is above the law in Canada? The answer is no one. What is the significance of hockey? The answer is it is the most popular spectator sport in Canada and is also its national winter sport. Who governs Canada on the federal level? The answer is Prime Minister. What is the highest honor a Canadian can receive? The answer is the Victoria Cross. What are the three branches of the Canadian government? The answer is executive, legislative, and judicial. Member of Parliament from Winnipeg decides to spend the weekend in his or her electoral district. This means the MP will be. The answer is in the part of Winnipeg where the MP was elected. What is the significance of the Quebec Act of 1774? The answer is Canada's tolerance towards all religions was affected. Where does Canada rank in the world's largest countries? The answer is second. Which party becomes the official opposition? The answer is the party with the second most MPs. Which province was split into two at Confederation? The answer is the province of Canada. Which province was the first to grant voting rights to women? The answer is Manitoba. What is the capital city of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. Where are the Parliament buildings located? The answer is Ottawa. How is a cabinet minister chosen? The answer is by the Prime Minister. What is the capital city of Ontario? The answer is Toronto. In the 1960s, Quebec experienced an era of rapid change. What is this called? The answer is the Quiet Revolution. Name two responsibilities of the federal government. The answer is national defense and foreign policy. Which was the last province to join Canada? The answer is Newfoundland. A member of Parliament from Vancouver announces that she will spend her weekend in her electoral district. This means she would be. The answer is in some part of Vancouver where she was elected. What part of the Constitution legally protects the basic rights and freedoms of all Canadians? The answer is the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Which federal political party is in power? 2022. The answer is Liberal Party. What is the role of the opposition parties? The answer is to oppose or try to improve government proposals. When is Remembrance Day celebrated? The answer is November 11th. What types of cases are heard by the Federal Court of Canada? The answer is matters concerning the federal government. What does the term Inuit mean? The answer is the people. What are the three main types of industry in Canada? The answer is natural resources, manufacturing and services. How are senators chosen? The answer is senators are appointed by the Governor-General on the advice of the Prime Minister.